Why is financial literacy an important topic for youths? Youth growth and well-being are greatly impacted by financial knowledge. Check out these key arguments about the importance of financial literacy for youths. Finance management. It aids in their understanding of ideas like budgeting, saving, and investing, empowering kids to make wise financial decisions. This lays a strong foundation for their financial stability and independence in the future. Responsible spending habits. By understanding the value of money and the consequences of impulsive spending, it encourages youth to develop responsible spending habits. It promotes the idea of distinguishing between needs and wants, making wise purchase decisions, and avoiding unnecessary debt. Goal setting and financial planning. It empowers young individuals to set financial goals and create realistic plans to achieve them. Whether it's saving for education, a car, or a future home, understanding financial concepts helps them develop actionable strategies to reach their objectives. Debt management and credit awareness. With the rise of easy credit access, it's essential for young people to comprehend the implications of borrowing and the responsible use of credit. It educates them about interest rates, credit scores, debt management strategies, and the importance of timely repayments, enabling them to avoid excessive debt and maintain a healthy financial profile. Entrepreneurship and career choices. It can inspire and prepare youth for entrepreneurship and career success. It instills an understanding of business concepts, financial risk, profit margins, and cash flow management. This knowledge can be beneficial for aspiring entrepreneurs and individuals seeking financial stability in their chosen professions. Financial security and future planning. It provides the tools to plan for the future, such as retirement savings, insurance coverage, and emergency funds. By learning about these concepts at a young age, individuals can establish healthy financial habits early on, ensuring long-term financial security. Consumer awareness. It empowers youth to make informed decisions as consumers. It equips them with the knowledge to understand financial products, contracts, and terms, enabling them to protect themselves from fraudulent schemes and make better choices when engaging in financial transactions. Overall, this teaching for youth is essential for their overall well-being, personal development, and long-term financial success. It helps them become responsible and informed individuals who can navigate the complex world of personal finance confidently. Why do youths make wrong decisions related to finance? There are several reasons why youths may make wrong decisions related to finance. Check out these important factors that state the reason why youths make wrong decisions related to finance. Lack of finance education. It is not adequately or wholly taught in schools and colleges these days. Without proper education, young individuals may struggle to understand financial principles, make informed choices, and navigate complex financial situations. Limited life experience. Young individuals often have limited real-world experience and exposure to financial matters. They may not have encountered situations where they need to make significant financial decisions or face financial challenges. Due to this lack of experience, youths make bad decisions when it comes to handling their money. Influence of peer pressure and advertising. Youth may be influenced by peer pressure and targeted advertising, which can lead to impulsive and unnecessary spending. The desire to fit in, keep up with trends, and satisfy immediate gratification can overshadow rational financial decision-making. Lack of future orientation. Young individuals often have a shorter-term perspective, focusing on immediate wants and needs rather than long-term financial goals. This can lead to overspending, neglecting savings, and failing to plan for future financial responsibilities. Easy access to credit cards and loans, often without proper understanding or guidance, can lead to reckless spending and accumulating high levels of debt. Young individuals may not fully grasp the long-term consequences of borrowing and the importance of responsible credit use. Emotional decision-making. Financial decisions can be influenced by emotions such as fear, stress, or peer pressure. Youths may make impulsive choices or engage in risky behaviors due to emotional factors, without considering the long-term financial implications. Limited financial role models. If young individuals lack positive financial role models or mentors, they may struggle to learn healthy financial behaviors and decision-making skills. Without guidance and examples of responsible financial management, they may find it challenging to develop good financial habits. Addressing these challenges requires a comprehensive approach that includes improving financial education, promoting responsible financial behaviors, encouraging open conversations about money, and providing guidance and mentorship to young individuals. By explaining and teaching your kids all about the mandatory skills and knowledge, we can surely make fine decisions and create a sense of strong financial, saving, foundation for them. Ways to teach about financial literacy for youths. There are several effective ways to teach youths about this topic. Incorporate financial education in school curriculum. Advocate for this topic to be included as part of the school curriculum. This ensures that all students receive formal education on basic financial concepts, money management skills, budgeting, and other relevant topics. Start early. Begin teaching about it at a young age. Introduce age-appropriate financial concepts and activities in a fun and engaging manner. Teach young children about saving money in piggy banks or setting savings goals for small purchases. Use interactive and practical learning methods. Engage youths through interactive and practical learning methods. This can include games, simulations, role-playing activities, and real-life examples. Allow them to practice budgeting, making financial decisions, and experiencing the consequences of their choices in a controlled environment. Encourage saving and budgeting. Teach youths the importance of saving money and creating budgets. Help them set savings goals and track their progress. Provide guidance on distinguishing between needs and wants, making wise spending choices, and prioritizing saving for future goals. Use technology and online resources. Utilize technology and online resources to enhance financial education. There are various educational websites, mobile apps, and online courses specifically designed for teaching about it to youths. These platforms often offer interactive lessons, budgeting tools, and quizzes to reinforce learning. Introduce real-life financial scenarios. Expose youths to real-life financial scenarios they may encounter in the future. This can include discussions on banking, credit cards, loans, insurance, investments, and understanding payslips. Encourage critical thinking and decision-making skills in these contexts. Invite guest speakers or financial experts. Arrange guest speakers, such as financial advisors or experts, to speak to youths about money management, investing, and career planning. Their real-world experiences and insights can provide valuable perspectives and practical advice. Promote financial discussions at home. Encourage open discussions about money at home. Involve youths in family budgeting discussions, bill payments, and savings strategies. Teach them about responsible spending, the value of money, and the importance of financial goals. Lead by example. Be a positive role model by demonstrating responsible financial behaviors. Show youths how to budget, save, invest, and make wise financial decisions. Involve them in age-appropriate financial activities and allow them to observe your financial habits and practices. Provide hands-on experience. Offer opportunities for youths to gain hands-on experience with financial responsibilities. This can include part-time jobs, volunteering, or entrepreneurial ventures. They can learn valuable lessons about earning, budgeting, and managing money through these practical experiences. Remember, it's essential to tailor financial education to the developmental stage and individual needs of youths. By providing them with practical knowledge, skills, and experiences, we can empower them to make informed financial decisions and develop lifelong habits of financial responsibility.